This video is another example on simple assembly. This model presented on a figure can be created as a single part, but it also can be created from different parts, as what we will make during this video. So first of all, I will create this base, then create this outer part and this inner parts, and then we assemble them together. First of all, we need to go to the SolidWorks and create several different parts. And here we have the top view. So I'll also start drawing from the top plane. I go to the sketch, select top plane, and first of all I will draw this reference circle. Which has the diameter 135. So 135 divided by 2 will be the radius. And if I select for constructions, I will have this type of line here. Next, I will create another circle with a radius 52.5. Here, 52.5. And then I will create this object here. I need one more circle with a radius 10. I'll create it here, radius 10. And then on sides I create two lines. If you want to start drawing line from another point, you can click left mouse button twice. I didn't click it twice. Okay, one more time. Want to start drawing from another point, you can click left mouse button twice, and then you can start drawing from another point. And if you want to finish drawing, you can click right mouse button, click select. After that, I need to trim parts I don't need. So I select trim tool and trim parts I don't need. Then I want to create these two parts, so I will simply duplicate object. So I exit the trim tool by escape, select object I want to duplicate, select circular sketch pattern. By default it created 4 objects, so I decrease them and they will be duplicated around 360 degrees along this circle. I click OK, then again trim tool and trim parts here. Okay, then we can create these circles and extrude the whole part, but I will first extrude it and then I make extruded cuts. So we didn't do it before, so I'll show another way how to use extruded cuts. So we first of all here we need to select contours, what we want to extrude, this one, then deselect thin feature, and we need to extrude by the value of 8. So here it should be 8 millimeters, and apply. Then I will draw this circle here. For this procedure I need to click sketch and select this plane. Then I will draw a circle here. It has diameter 7.8 divided by 2, so we obtain radius 3.9, and then I also duplicate them. Decrease to 3 and apply. And then I make extruded cut. Here we have several options how to make extruded cuts. For example, we can make extrusion by distances, or we can extrude through all. Here we have just one part, so it's not really visible how it will also up to next, and it will be extruded to the next surface. So it depends on the model you have. Here we have just this flat model, so it's not, it doesn't really matter what to use, what type of extrusion to use. So we just apply it and we have these extruded cuts. We next finished with that base, so we save it and create another part. Click OK. And next I'll create this outer part. Again, I will start drawing from the top plane. It has inner diameter 80 and outer diameter 90. Here I'll draw, so 80 divided by 2, radius should be 40. Then I can draw one more circle and make the extrusion. But I'll use another way of extrusion. I will add the thin feature. And here the width should be 5. So the width here is 5 because 90 minus 80, 10. And we divided by 2, so 5. And first of all, I draw this inner circle. So here we can select thin feature, direction. So how to thin it? First of all, I draw inner circle, so I need to add the thin feature out. So I leave it this way, and I need to extrude it by the value of 32. Here it's 32. And apply. Save this part and move to the next one. Also top plane, and I will create this cylinder. Top plane, and here I will draw 2 circles with a diameter 15 and 20. Here 15 divided by 2, 7.5, one more with a radius 10, and I extrude them. Extrude by, here the total height 32, and here distance between top and this dimension, so 32 minus 12, 20. I extruded by 20. Okay. I save it and move to the next last part. Then I will create these parts here. Also I will start drawing from the top plane, sketch, select top plane, and I will draw 2 reference circles with the diameter 20 and diameter 80. So first one, here it should be radius 10. Second one, radius 40. And here I'd better define the dimensions so they won't change. Here it should be 20. Okay, here diameter is 80. In order to see these values in millimeters, I have to select in system MMJS, then click twice, left mouse button, and I will see them in millimeters. Also, I will here select option for construction, and then I'll create also center line through the region. And then I'll draw this line here. First of all, I'll draw some random line. and then define distance between the center line and this line. Here it should be 2.5 as 5 divided by 2, 2.5, and then I trim parts I don't need here, here. After that I will mirror this line, mirror about center line, apply. After that I will close the circuit here and here. So I select this 3-point arc, and here it's shown how it will be drawn from first point, second point, third point. So also first point, second point, and finish here, third point. Same above, first point, second point, third point. After that we can extrude it. Features, extrude both base, and then value. Here's the total height 32 minus 5, so 27. Extrude by the value 27. Okay. Then we need to add this incline here. So here we have feature, fillet, and two options. Here it will be rounded edge, and here the sharp edge. For example, if I click this one, it will be rounded. We don't need this one, so I select the second one. And here we have different options how to create incline. Here, for example, it will be defined by distance and angle. And here, for example, we can select two faces and define it by distances. For example, first face, then select second face, and they are not symmetric, so we select asymmetric here. Then we can define two distances. For example, this one should be till the end, so we leave this value, and the second one we need to calculate. Here the total height 32 minus 12, 20, and minus 5, 15. So here it will be 15. Okay, and we apply it. Next we also wanna duplicate it, so we can select here circular pattern, and then direction. For example, we can simply select this H, and then what also we wanna features. You can just select bodies, select this body, so all of them will be copied. Here we have 6, so here we also have 6. They also duplicate around 360 degrees, so we apply it. And we also save this last part. After that we can move to the assembly. Here, click new, assembly, okay. And again, some problems with the Citrix software. Usually assembly window looks another way. Here we will have the objects we just created, so we can simply drag and drop them. So, but with the Citrix we need to close SolidWorks and open it again. And then click on assembly. And in some components we've just created these parts. Open. First of all, our base, we attach it to the origin. Then this part, the last part. Here we can simply make alignment by our regions, but I'll just want to show how the assembly features works. So here's a simple way just to align elements by its origin, but I want to show different way how if you have different models, so you can handle the assembly. For example, for the mates, we can select some. For example, I want to align planes, so I select this plane and I want to align it with this plane. So now they aligned. Coincident here. And here you have different options. They can be parallel, perpendicular, and so on. For example, I click OK. What else I can do? For example, I can align also circles. For example, I select this circle. This one. And make them concentric. Also. And OK. Next one. I can also select circle, this circle. They will be concentric. And here also there is an options. So how to, if you want to align it this way, you can rotate it. OK. And next, this part, you can also, for example, select this edge here. And also select this circle here. So they also will be aligned. And next, what we can do here, for example, if I will move it up, it moves, but they are concentric. So we also need to mate this plane and this plane here. So first of all, we can select again mate tool, then for example this plane and this plane, apply.